Naming molecular compounds. Objectives. Write the name and formula for molecular compounds. Naming molecular compounds. Here we have CO2. Steps to name this molecular compound. First, we name the first nonmetal by its element name. In this case, it is carbon. Next, we name the second nonmetal by using the first syllable of its element name, followed by IDE. In this example, the oxygen becomes oxide. Third, we add a prefix to indicate the number of atoms present in each. If we have 1, it's mono, 2, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. In this example, we have 2 oxygen atoms present, so we call it dioxide. Our compound, our molecule is called carbon dioxide. However, we do not use mono on the first element, so we will not call it monocarbon dioxide. It is simply called carbon dioxide. And finally, when vowels O and O or A and O appear together, the first vowel is omitted. Let's work another example. Here we have N2O3. First, we name the first element nitrogen, followed by the second element oxygen, which changes to oxide. Next, we need to identify with prefixes how many atoms of each are present. For nitrogen, there are 2, so it's called dinitrogen, and for oxygen, there are 3, so it's called trioxide. Another example, NO. Nitrogen and oxygen, the oxygen becomes oxide. Next, we need to indicate how many atoms are present. For nitrogen, there is 1, then mono is omitted. For oxygen, there is 1, so it's called monoxide. However, since there are 2 vowels, one from mono and one from oxide together, we drop the first vowel, it just becomes monoxide. So our compound or molecule is called nitrogen monoxide. Another example is P4O6. P is phosphorus and O is oxygen, it is changed to oxide. Next, we need to add our prefixes to make sure they're correct. We look at our table. For phosphorus, it becomes tetraphosphorus, while for oxygen, there are 6, so it's called hexoxide. Since there's an A and an O, 2 vowels together, it becomes tetraphosphorus hexoxide. Practice question. CO. Naming this molecule. First, the first element is called carbon, while the second element is called oxygen. We change the name to oxide. We need to indicate with how many prefix the number of atoms of oxygen present. Since there's 1, it's called carbon monoxide. It is not called monooxide since there's 2 vowels, 2 O's together. We drop the first O and it's just simply called monoxide.